Luckily, with RunPTO Website Builder, creating a website for any parent-teacher organization or booster club today is easier than ever. You do not need to know a bunch of code, and you certainly do not need to hire a pricey developer. You just need to follow a few very simple steps to get your website up and running in less than 10 minutes. The website builder produces Bootstrap code, which is ultra-fast and is responsive on all devices like desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Let's get started. Click on Website Builder. You are in the Website Builder. There are two buttons on the top here. One is for saving your setup and the other is for publishing your website. Remember to always save your website after you make any changes. Clicking on the question mark will take you to the Help section in the knowledge base. Let's start exploring the various columns here and see how easy it is to create your website. The website location is the space that has been allocated on the RunPTO servers for your website. Next, you can select from 3 templates for your website: Neptune, Bluewood, and Clearwater. As of today, Clearwater template is the latest and has a lot more sections and features than Neptune or Bluewood. For this session, I will be going over the Clearwater template with you. There are 15 sections available in this template. I will be going over each of these sections with you, and side by side I will be showing you the generated website. Header section. This will be organization name in the top navigation bar along with some menu items. Next, let's go check out the top section. There are 2 lines of text you can enter here. We have Welcome to Demo School PTO and Join the PTO on the next line. You can link the button with a RunPTO module. In this case, we have linked the membership sign-up. This is the text for the button. Let's check how the top section looks on the website. There's Welcome to Demo School PTO and Join the PTO on the next line. Click on Membership Sign-up button and the membership sign-up form will come up. Let's go check the images are set up in the next section. You can upload 6 images which will be used in top section, about section, and features section. All you need to do is click on Select File and upload the images from your desktop. Let's take a look at the About section. You can hide this section by selecting No. Set a title for the About section, brief description if needed. And then you have 4 lines of text in the About section. Let us go over to the demo website and see how the About section appears. There is first 2 images for the top section and the About section. There is the About title here, and 4 lines of text that was entered for this section. Feature section. You can hide the feature section by clicking on No here. In this section, you can add 4 features, each with a title and text, and you can also associate images to this section in the top images section. So here you have Book Fair, Ice Cream Social, Bingo Nights, Back to School. Let us go to top images and see the 4 images associated with it. As you can see, images are uploaded for Book Fair, Ice Cream Social, Bingo Night, Back to School Night. Let's go over to the website and see how this all looks. Here is the feature section. You can see all the 4 features one after another. You will see the images change as you click through each of these features. Services section. In the Services section, you can link various RunPTO modules on the website easily. Currently, you can show up to 9 modules. Various modules like Membership Sign-up, Calendar, Volunteer Sign-up, Event Sign-up, Shopping Cart, Newsletter, Student Directory, and many more. You also need to enter a title for each of these service types and also a brief 2 or 3 lines description. Let's go over the website and see how the various links are displayed on the website. On the website, clicking on Services will take you to the Services section directly. Let's click on some of the links. Volunteer Sign-up. Their members can sign up for various committees on this form. There's the event sign up. Let's explore that. Select the Donate Fundraiser form. It has a goal of $5,000 and $900 has been raised so far. And you can select your amount and sign up and pay right here. Let's go over to Calendar. Members can easily find out about the various meetings and events happening. If you have set up your online store and the shopping cart is linked, members can shop. You need to enter information for fulfillment of the order and then proceed to the online store. There's the link for meeting minutes. Click on Student Directory to see a mobile view of the directory. Enter the user ID and password. In our case, it is demo. You can do a search on the directory. You can scroll to different records. You can toggle between different views. So that is the mobile view of the student directory on the website. As you can see, you can easily link complex RunPTO modules to the website easily in the Services section. Next, let's take a look at the Ribbon section. You can hide the Ribbon section by selecting No Here. Ribbon Title. The title entered will appear on the Ribbons button. Example: Student Directory Registration, Newsletter, Ribbon Description. This will be the description on the ribbon for any one of the service links you would select. Example: the description can be Read our school newsletter if newsletter is selected as the service type. Or register your information to be included in the student directory. Ribbon type. This is the actual link for the button on the ribbon. You can select one from the RunPTO module links. If custom URL is populated with an external URL link, that link will become active for the button instead of the RunPTO module link. Let us go to the website and see how the ribbon section looks like. There's our ribbon section with the student directory registration information. Clicking on the button will bring up the student directory registration form. Messages section. You can hide the message by selecting No Here. There are 4 message boxes available in the Messages section. Each message box has a title and content associated with it. Messages can be from the PTO president, principal, and committee chairs. Messages can be changed as and when required. Let us go over to the website and see how the messages are displayed. Clicking on Messages will take you to the Messages section, and you can see the president's and principal's messages displayed on the website. You can hide the sponsor section by selecting No Here. You can enter up to 12 sponsors here. Each sponsor will have a title. Upload a sponsor image by clicking on Select. Associate a URL link with the sponsor. As I mentioned earlier, you can enter details for 12 sponsors. Let us go over to the website and see the sponsor section. There's the sponsor section. Clicking on Kroger will take you to the Kroger link. Questions section. You can hide the questions section by selecting No Here. Enter the title for the questions section here. The title could be Frequently Asked Questions. Enter the description here if any. Then you can enter up to 6 questions and answers in this section. Questions can be like, what is the membership fee? When is the next PTO meeting? Let's go over to the website and see the Frequently Asked Questions section. There are just 2 questions here, but as I mentioned earlier, you can set up to 6 questions. Clicking on the question will reveal the answer. Next, Contact section. You can hide the contact information by clicking No Here. Contact information is address, phone, email. Let's go over to the website and see where the contact information is displayed. Clicking on Contact will take you to the Contact section. There's the address, email, and phone number. Messages can also be sent from the Contact section by the member. Social Media section. In the Social Media section, you can display the social media icons with their links for Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. We have just entered links here for Facebook and Twitter. Let us go to website. The social media icons are in the footer section. There it is, Twitter and Facebook. Team and committee sections. You can display the team, which consists of board members and chairpersons and committees here. Click Yes here for Team section. Click Yes here for Committee section. Also, for the footer to be displayed, you have to click Yes in the footer section. Let's go to the website to check out the team and committees. Click on Team will take you to the Team section. Committee section is after that. We have covered all the sections. Once all the sections are entered, make sure you save and then publish the website. You can always come back and make changes and republish the website. With that, I will conclude the website builder session. Thank you for listening.